This is a Silver GPT status review. The activation balance for it was reduced to $100. This status allows you to use Alerts mode and opens a Stocks tab for trading, which we will use in this video later. As we confirmed our settings, let's choose Euro to US dollar OTC asset, 30 seconds expiration time, and open a deal after a lightning-fast analysis. Now let's get back to the Settings tab. Choose Stocks, Confirm, and select Apple OTC stock for a test. 30 seconds expiration time. Wait a bit. And open a deal according to the signal we got.
Move it.